Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the June Squad Box. Now today I'm literally just going to be sitting down and talking to you guys all about what is in the June Squad Box. If you guys want to hear my thoughts on whether I think the Squad Box is affordable, whether I think it's value for money, all that good stuff, I will leave my 3 previous videos on this box down below in my description bar. And yeah, let's just get into this video. So, this is what you're basically looking at when you open the box. I have unbubble wrapped some of the more fragile goodies, but let's just get into seeing what's in this box, you guys. So, firstly, we have a Curl Chemistry Deep Conditioning Treatment. This is for the hair. And then next we have this Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Leave-In Treatment. Now, I haven't been moisturizing my hair with just plain coconut oil because coconut oil does strip your hair of color, and I've been looking like a smurf recently, so I cannot put coconut oil in my hair because it will strip the color faster. So this does not strip the color. It literally says sulfate free and color safe down below. So that's really, really exciting, and I am so excited to try this. Next we have a Beardworks Beard Balm. This is what it looks like. This contains almond oil. I would guess if you don't have anyone you could give it to. Ooh, it does smell spicy. No wonder it says sexy spice on the front. This smells really good. So I guess you could use this to like moisturize your cuticles if you want. Maybe brush it through your eyebrows. I don't know. It has almond oil. I guess that's good for you. That's if you don't have a bae and you don't have anyone that grows a beard. I don't know anyone who grows a beard, but I guess I could keep it for Movember and kind of pass it on to whoever's closest to me that has a beard. I don't know. I'm just kind of making up things in my brain. But most likely I'm going to use it as cuticle oil because why not? It has almond oil in it. And then they also have a 10% discount code voucher. Now on the back of this voucher it says it's valid till the 30th of June. But the ladies at Beauty Squad have told me that Beardworks is extending this voucher till the end of August. So you have plenty of time to get your loved one or pay something nice, either for his birthday. I would say Father's Day, but Father's Day is long gone, so it is what it is. Next, we have this angled brush. Now, this has like a beautiful marble design on the handle, and it's quite a big angle brush. I guess you could use it for filling in your eyebrows when you're in a rush. You could use it for chiseling out your nose, filling in your hairline. You know, brushes are an amazing thing. You can do anything and everything with them, to be honest. Next, we have some skincare. Now, this is from Lovisa Skin, and this is a why am I struggling to say rejuvenating? This is a skin rejuvenation anti-aging treatment, and it has essential oils in it. It has jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, beta carotene, rosehip, lavender, and geranium. All of these ingredients are amazing for the skin, especially rosehip. Yes, so I cannot wait to use this on my skin because my skin has definitely been more on the drier side and it's just not a vibe, and this smells amazing. Oh my gosh. And then lastly, literally you guys, literally, this box is taking care of you this winter. Let's be honest. It has amazing treatments, it has skincare, but it also has something that I feel like everybody raves about and I haven't been able to try it, but now I get to try it. And this is the Pink Cosmetics Brush Cleaner. This is Peach Bellini, I believe. And this, honestly, it smells so delicious, you guys. I wish you guys could smell it through the camera. Now, I have to go somewhere and I need to wash my brushes like today. So I am going to comment down below in my description bar letting you guys know how amazing this is, if it is amazing, because so many people rave about this and I cannot wait to try it out. My brushes need cleaning ASAP Rocky before I go on a little trip, so can't wait to use this, and my brushes are gonna smell amazing. Oh my god, I cannot wait. Anybody else, like, you know, washing your brushes is such a tedious thing to do, but when you're working with clean brushes, you're just like, oh, why did I take so long to wash my brushes? It's crazy. So that is what is in this month's squad box, or rather June's squad box. And I have to say, honestly and truly, like, if you watch from March up until this exact video, you will see every single month there is something different, there's something fun, there's something that makes the next box even better. I don't know, it's just crazy. I feel like every single time I get the box, I open it up and I'm like, oh, it's even better than the last box. I don't know, that's just how I feel. This box, honestly, mind blown from last month. Absolutely mind blown. And I honestly have been using my products from the previous months, and one of my favorites definitely for skincare are like the sheet masks. Love the sheet masks, obsessed. And also the Beau Science mask, that one is also really, really bomb diggity. And I also have been enjoying that purple sort of balm, like for my cuticles, and yeah, just for like the dryness of the winter. Also, washing my hands wise, that soap, that coconut bar soap, is still in my bathroom, and I use it all the time, especially on days when I know I'm very hands-on and I'm going to be washing my hands a lot throughout the day. That's the only soap I use because it's a lot more gentle on my hands than typical hygiene soap or whatever like liquid hand wash I tend to reach for. So that is it for this video. I will be updating you guys every now and again with regards to these products, how I'm feeling about them and all that stuff. And yeah, I do have to say these are definitely value for money. Y'all know how I feel about it. It's definitely value for money. You're getting so many products for under 400 Rand if you use my discount code. So I will leave my discount code and a direct link to the website down below in my description bar, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. So that is it for this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup. Big shout out to the ladies at Squad Box who are doing such a good job with these boxes all the time. So don't forget to stay all day every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.